Little Boat's Big Trip. Written by Sue Brathwaite, illustrated by Suelin, Tung. Little Boat feels small. He's going on a big trip. Ferry Boat has been on many trips. She bumps Little Boat. Stick to the coast. Stay away from big waves. All aboard! On-go bags, on-go boxes, on-go drums, guitars, shacks. Carry a crew. They are going to play parang. Ready, get set, go! Little Boat chugs out of the bay. He hums. Stick to the coast. Stay away from big waves. Along the coast goes Little Boat. The small waves say, "Let's play, let's play." The passengers sing, "Parang! Let's go, let's go!" The waves are now big. Bump, thump, Little Boat stays away. The passengers like the big waves. More, more. Little Boat feels very big. He's not afraid. The waves grow bigger and bigger. Bump, thump, bang, crash. Help! We are sinking, yell the passengers. Kaboom! Over the side go bags, over go boxes, over go drums, guitars, shacks. Now Little Boat can float. He floats away from the big waves. But no more smiles, no more dancing, no more music. Little Boat feels very small. Everyone gets off. There will be no parang. Then Little Boat hears a sound. Hip hip hooray! Little Boat saved us. Smiles, singing, dancing again. Now Little Boat is proud. He is small, but he can do big things.